हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम बॅक टू अवर चॅनल. आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण बघणार आहोत क्लास 7th हिस्ट्री त्यातील सिविक्स फर्स्ट लेसन इंट्रोडक्शन टू अवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन याची एक्सरसाइज. तसेच क्लास 7 च्या इतर विषयाची व्हिडिओची लिंक मी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स मध्ये दिलेली आहे, तुम्ही तिथून ते बघू शकता. चला तर मग लगेचच व्हिडिओला सुरुवात करूया.
Question number 1. Explain the following concepts. First, provisions of the Constitution. Answer. A constitutional provision is a specifically designated law within a nation is born to carry out administration of the country as per the provisions of the Constitution. The provisions in the Constitution are the basic fundamental law of the land. The provisions in the Constitution are about different citizenship, the right of citizens, the relation between citizens and the state, subjects of the law to be made by the governments, elections, restrictions on government, jurisdiction of the state, etc. Second, Constitution Day. Answer. The Constituent Assembly enacted the Constitution and adopted it on 26 November 1949. Therefore, 26 November is observed as Constitution Day. Question number 2. Discuss. First, a Constituent Assembly was established. Answer. First point. The leader of the freedom movement instant the independent India will not get governed by the law made by the British government. Point 2. The instant that independent India will be governed by the laws made by the people of India. Therefore, to prepare a constitution for independent India, the Constituent Assembly was established. Second, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is called the architect of the Indian Constitution. Answer. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar handled the task of present in the draft, answering the various questions raised on it, making changes in the draft as for the suggestions of the Constituent Assembly, and making every provision of the Constitution flawless. Due to his contribution towards the making of the Constitution, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is called the architect of the Indian Constitution. Third, what is included in the administration of a country? Answer. Following subjects are included in the administration of a country: defending the boundaries, protecting the people from external aggression, eradication of poverty, creating employment, education and health services, encouragement to commerce and industries, protection of the weaker section, making policies for the progress of women, children and the tribal people, etc. Question number 3. Choose the right option. First, the Constitution of this country is primarily unwritten. Answer. England. Second, who was the President of the Constituent Assembly? Answer. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Third, who among these was not a member of the Constituent Assembly? Answer. Mahatma Gandhi. Fourth, who was the chairman of the drafting committee? Answer. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Question number 4. Answer the following questions. First, on what subjects does the government have to make laws? Answer: the government makes law on the following subjects. First, the defense of the country and protecting people from the external aggression. Second, eradication of poverty and creating employment. Third, education and health service. Fourth, farming policies to protect the weaker section industries and progress of women and children, the tribal people. Fifth, encouragement to commerce and industries. Second, why do we celebrate 26th January as Republic Day? Answer: we celebrate 26th January as a Republic Day because, first, the Indian Republic comes into the existence on that day. Second, the country began to govern according to the provision of the Constitution of India from 26th January 1950. Third, what are the advantages of running a country as per the provisions of the Constitution? Answer: almost all countries in the world have accepted the principle of governance according to the Constitution due to the following advantages. First, the government has to function within the rules set by the Constitution. This reduces the possibility of misuse of power and high and administration. Second, their rights and freedom of the people are included in the Constitution. The government cannot take away these rights. This Constitution protects the rights and freedom of the people. Third, it's established the rule of law. The faith of the common people and their participation in the government increases. Fourth, the Constitution set political ideas such as world peace, security, and preservation of human rights. Fifth, the government is bonded to act in the direction. Fifth, the Constitution states the duty of the citizens and fixes their responsibilities.
स्टुडंट्स, इथे आपली एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट झालेली आहे. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, तसेच तुमच्या मित्रांना शेअर करा. परत भेटूया एका नवीन व्हिडिओमध्ये. तोपर्यंत बाय.